So, sa problem 16 na to siya. So, the problem 16 is find the top three most frequently used in an aircraft model in the last 6 months. Yung siyang problem. So, muna siya itong SQL code. Select M model name as aircraft model, count F flight ID as total flight, from flight F, join maintenance and A. Kung ngayon na bito nakakuan mo kay ano NA atong gibutang tas maintenance. So naa naman siya gitawag ito nga model. Ang M is specific na siya sa model. At ang MA is maintenance. Okay, so patayon ta. On MA, maintenance ID F, maintenance ID, join aircraft details on AD. So what yung AD is aircraft details. Aircraft details ID. MA, maintenance, aircraft details ID. Join model M on model name ID, aircraft details model ID. Where flight is coach departure ID, date sub, current date, interval for 6 months. Group model name, order by total flight DE SC, limit by 3. Tomorrow man. O, 3 most frequency at least 6 months. So, para mas madali ta, copy-paste nato itong code, tapos butangan to siya og create view, then mukha ma-append. Okay? Sa store procedure, same ra gihapon, butangan nato delimiter dash task instead of creating view, creating procedure ang atong ibutang. Task and slash delimiter na. Okay? Tapos magawas na dayon ni siya pag ma-paste natin.